Champion of CG.
That bag looks heavy, Jax. Heavier than the metal inside.
I'm doing what I have to. You don't know my life, Miller. You just sit there with your tools and your peace.
I wasn't always at peace. I spent years building walls. Not the kind made of wood. The kind that keep God out.
God? Where's God when the collectors are at my door? This is survival.
Survival is a lonely God to serve. He never gives back. He just takes until you're empty.
I'm already empty. I can't stop. One more score and I'm clean.
You're chasing a ghost. You think a clean bank account makes a clean heart? My mother used to say, comes only to steal and destroy. But look at you. You're destroying yourself to pay a debt that's already been bought. What am I supposed to do? Walk away? I'm buried.
You're only buried if you stay in the hole. Faith isn't about being perfect, son. It's about who you turn to when you've hit the bottom. You're at the bottom. Stop digging.
It's too late for me.
It's never too late for a man who's still breathing. Mercy isn't a paycheck you earn. It's a gift you don't deserve. I'm offering you a way out, not a shortcut. A way out. Produce fruit in keeping with repentance. Don't just say you're sorry. Change the direction you're walking.